everybody, welcome to step 3 of our wire wrapping tutorial. So in this step we are going to be going over our stone design. As you can see by the different varieties showcased here, you can pretty much wire wrap any type of design that you desire. In this one we've used sterling silver wire, and as you look at the side of it you can see the intricate wire wrapping detail where we have actually gone into a really cool pattern wrapping around the binding and then creating almost like a braid, and that is actually what holds the stone in place. And then our bail is very simple and completely wrapped around on the top. This other one here is done with a copper wire, and that is not real turquoise, that's a fake turquoise piece. And to give you just a little bit of background, these are some of the first pieces that we designed in the Dominican Republic working in the aftercare program for women rescued from sex trafficking. And so these are just the very beginning stages of their design element. This is done with brass, and she did a lot of curls and spirals and kind of almost like a crossover braiding technique around the stone in order to secure the Larimer stone in place. And her bail is a little bit bigger than some bails are, but if we grab that tool up there, you can see that that round 5mm part of the tool would still fit inside the bail at the top, and we could continue to round the bail out, and that would look lovely dangling from a really nice chain. Another style is represented here, similar to that first one, again with the Larimer stone, with that braiding technique that just kind of crosses over and wraps around, and that's in sterling silver. And then we have this style here, which we're going to demonstrate today. This is again a Larimer stone, and it's a 5 bundle, and so we have 5 pieces of wire that actually come down around the stone, and then we've created a very simple bail which is just wrapped repeatedly, and then we did a very simple top curl pattern, and then to give it additional hold we did some straps across on the front as well as on the back. So flip that, which secures the stone really well. And at this point you have a designer choice. We could have made those scroll, we could have had them twist, we could have created a circular pattern. It's just kind of up to the designer on how they want that stone to end up looking. And because Larimer is such a beautiful stone, the idea here was to keep it really simple and clean so that the stone really shines through. So the stone we're starting with is this, and we have our wires over here to the right, and I'm going to go into a lot of depth in step number 4 on wire choice and wire selection, because that's a very critical element when you are wire wrapping.